Is there a way to create argument in Python's Argparse that returns true in case no values given? Currently resize flag that I created is boolean, and means that all my objects will be resized. Is there a way implement Argparse argument that if passed as boolean flag, resize, will return true, but if passed with value, resize 10, will contain value? Example. Python./my_script.py resize hash will contain true, that means, resize all the objects. Python/my_script.py resize hash will contain index, that means resize only specific object.
In order to optionally accept a value, you need to set nuls to question mark, but this will make the argument consume one value if it is specified. If the argument is specified but without value, then the argument will be assigned the argument's const value, so that's what you need to specify too. There are now 3 cases for this argument. Not specified, the argument will get its default value, none by default. Specified without a value, the argument will get its const value. Specified with a value, the argument will get the specified value. Since you are looking for an index, you can also specify type equals int so that the argument value will be automatically passed as an integer. This will not affect the default or const case, so you still get none or true in those cases. Your usage would then look something like this.
You can add default equals false, const equals true and nargs equals question mark to the argument definition and remove action. This way, if you don't pass resize, it will store false. If you pass resize with no argument, will store true and otherwise the passed argument. Still, you will have to refactor the code a bit to know if you have index to delete or delete all objects.
Use nargs to accept different number of command line arguments. Use default and const to set the default value of resize. See here for details, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.